Hello learners, today we are going to define and discuss about simple machines in the simplest way we can. So, for a simple definition, simple machine is a device or tool that has a simple mechanism to help you perform work by changing the direction and amount of the force. What are simple machines? There are six basic simple machines. They are lever, pulley, wedge, screw, inclined plane, and wheel and axle. To know more about these simple machines, let us discuss them one by one. Let's start with wheel and axle. By its name, it is composed of a round disc called the wheel and a rod called the axle. The disc is attached to the rod that allows it to rotate and the force is transferred on it. Example of these are wheelbarrow, doorknob, and pizza cutter. Next is the pulley. Pulley is composed of a wheel and a cord. When the cord is pulled, the wheel rotates and carry the load. Examples where pulley can be found are well, crane, and flagpole. The third is the inclined plane. The inclined plane, also known as the ramp, consists of a flat surface that is tilted at a certain angle. This simple machine is used for moving heavy objects through a sloping surface, usually with a rope or a chain. Examples of these are the skateboard ramp, slide, and the ladder. Next to it is the wedge. A wedge is basically a triangular shaped object. On one end is thick and thin or sharp on the other. It is used to split things into pieces. Examples of these are the shovel, axe, and the knife. The fifth one is the screw. The screw may look sophisticated compared to others, but if you look at it closely, it is just a wedge wrapped around a cylinder rod. Its mechanism is it converts rotational motion into linear motion. Examples of these are the water jar lid, bulb, and bolt. And finally, the lever. The lever is composed of a bar that sits on top of a fulcrum. With a lever, you can lift heavy object by placing it on one side and exerting a force on the other side. There are three classes of lever. The first class, the second class, and the third class. All of them are used for the same function, but differ only when the force, the fulcrum, and the object are placed. The first class lever is where the fulcrum is between the force and the object. Examples of these are the pliers, seesaw, and the scissors. Second class lever is when the object is between the fulcrum and the force. Example of these are the wheelbarrow, door, and the stapler. And finally, the third class lever. The third class lever is when the force is between the fulcrum and the object. Examples of these are the fishing rod, broom, and the baseball bat. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this video. This is Maestro Sani saying thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Bye-bye.